Good day everyone. So we're here to discuss about write a C++ program that prompts the user to input three integer values and find the greatest value using if statement. Example 1. Enter three integer values separated by space 10, 20, 15. The greatest value is 20. So first, let's open the code blocks. So let's wait until it opens. So create a new project, console application. The project title is Jaydine Villanueva 1. Then let's change this. Save, finish. Then let's erase this. So first, we need to include iOS stream. Next, include CSTD Arabic. Then, using namespace std. Then, admin. Then let's first we need to declare the three variables. The num1, num2, num3. Then cout. Let's add the first prompt integer is the show the first value. Then next is cin. The first input, which is the num1. Let's copy this. Let's do this in the second and num2. Do it again as third, num3. So next is we use the if statement is num1 greater than num2 and num1 is greater than num3. Cout. The greatest number is the greatest value is num1. Then next, we use the else if the statement is num2 is greater than num1 and num2 is greater than num3. So the greatest number is the greatest value is num2. Then next, to this and this, we need to input else. Then cout. The greatest value is num3. And let's input the closing the return exit underscore success. Then let's try to run if the program is successful. So for example, let's input 4. Then the second value is 9. Then the third value is 1. so that the greatest value is 9. So, our program is successful. So number 2, same with question number 1. However, find the greatest value of the three variables by using conditional operators. So first, let's open code blocks. Let's wait until it opens. Then, create a new project, console, C++, then title is Villanueva 2. And save. So let's erase this. So let's start. Include IO stream. Include CSTV. Then using namespace STV. Then name. Then let's declare the variables int, which is the num1, num2, num3, then greatest number. Then cout. Then let's input the first prompt is show the first value. Then let's input is the num1. Copy this. Let's change this as the second. Again, let's change this as the third. Then next is the greatest number equals statement num1 is greater than num2 and num1 is greater than num3 if true num1. Next statement is num2 is greater than num1 and num2 is greater than num3 if yes num2. Then if false, let's input num3. Then cout the greatest value is greatest number. Then let's input return exit underscore success. Then let's try to run if the program is successful. So wrong spelling to. Let's try. Let's try for example 5, then 9, then 11. Then the greatest value is 11. So the program is successful. Number 3. Write a program that will determine a student's grade. The program will grade 3 types of scores, which is the quiz, midterm exam, and lab exercises, and determine the grade based on the following. So first, let's open code blocks. Then, create a new project, console application. Then let's Jaydine 3. So erase all. So let's start. Include IO stream. Then include CSTY. Then next, using namespace Then next, so let's display the variables, which is Q for the quiz, MTE for the midterm exam, and L for the lab. Then we use float for the grade, which is G. The next, C out, then show your grade, show your score, show your score in quiz. Then let's end line. Then next is C in, which is quiz determine Q. Then let's copy paste this. Let's change for the midterm exam. Then MTE. The next is lab. Laboratory for L. The next is the grade. This quiz multiplied by 0.30, adding by the midterm exam, multiplied by 0.40, then adding by the lab, then multiplying by 0.30. Next is C out your your grade is next G, then end line. Next is we use the if statement is grade greater than equal to 0 and grade is less than or equal to 74, which means C out, which is equal to F. Then let's input end line. The next is else if grade is greater than equal to 75 and grade is less than equal to 79, C out is equal to E. Let's input end line. And let's copy para makabalik. Now let's rename this as 80 to 84 equal to D. And next is 85 to 89 is equal to C. Next is 90 to 94 is equal to B. The next is 95 to 100 is A. Then let's input return exit underscore success. Then let's check if there's something wrong. Then here, then let's try to run if the program is successful. So let's try for, so the spelling is wrong, so let's rename as show. Oops, show. Then let's try for the example. Your score increase is 80 out of 100. For the midterm exam is we got a high grade 95 over 100, and for the laboratory is as well as 95. So your grade is 90.50, which is equal to B. So our program is successful. It works. Number 4. Write a C++ program that will print the following output using loop, for, while, or do while, and switch statement. So first, let's open the code blocks. Let's wait until it opens. Then create a new project console application. Then the project title, 4. So let's erase this all. So first, let's include IO string. Then next, include cstdlib. Then using namespace. Then increment. Then here is we have one variable only, so our variable is day number equal to 1. Then I use here the while loop. So while loop as the variable is less than equal to 7. Then next, after here, then let's go to the switch. Then dim. The next here is switch. Then next is the case 1. Case 1 is, for example, C out 1 is equal to Sunday. Then we input end line. Then break. Let's copy paste this. Case 2 is for Monday. Next, case 3 is for Tuesday. Then next is case 4, Wednesday. Wednesday. Then 5 is Thursday. Then next 6 is Friday. Then last, for the case number 7 is Saturday. So next is we need to input increment. So here we need to input increment for dnum. Increment. Then return exit success for our closing. Then let's try to run if our program is successful. So So that's it. Our program is successful. So thank you for watching. Hope you like it.